Vechain's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording, Vechain is seeing a bit of a pullback after that aggressive bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.0339. We have lost a significant key area of support at the 0.03209 and also support on the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. And in today's video, I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the Vechain chart, give you my breakdown target areas and also areas that we need to see a bounce back above for us to still expect higher prices. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 5th of July when we saw this breakdown move, giving us a low below the 0.02029. We started a very nice bounce to the upside where we first picked in a 5-wave structure, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a corrective structure in this Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts, and we managed to bottom out in the formation of that Elliot wave count 2 and continued to see higher prices in an impulsive Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And I told you that the first minimum target area was at the fib level 1.618, and that was above the 0.029, which is an area we fully maximized. We managed to break above that and got an extended wave 3 to the upside, having the fib level 2.618 as our next target area, which perfectly lies above the 0.034, which is an area we almost fully maximized. And now there are high chances that we have now picked in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And since we have now started to lose significant key areas of support, there are chances that we are going to see a bit of a pullback in the formation of this Elliot wave count 4. And once we have a low in place in this Elliot wave count 4, we can continue seeing even higher prices in an Elliot wave count 5. And the minimum target areas for the fourth wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which perfectly lies between the 0.0292 and the 0.02775, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts. So in case of a pullback in the next coming hours, this is the area we need to continue paying a lot of attention to, because we can easily see a pullback into that area, find support within the area, maybe see much of a consolidation before we can finally see another aggressive bounce to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 5. And in case we get that pullback, I think that would be a time for someone to try and DCA, and that is not financial advice, because after this corrective pullback, I will be expecting another aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5, which can easily take us back above the 0.04 in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart for the next coming hours. And if by any chance we manage to break above that key area of resistance, flipping it back into support, and maybe we see a break above these significant highs, then that will be confirming that we might continue pushing a little bit higher in that Elliot wave count 3 before we can get our pullback in the formation of this wave 4. So that is what you need to continue paying attention to here on the Vechain chart. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.